Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, roof rails, power liftgate, power rear liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.